We're going to get right into the giveaways. At the end, you will find out the rules if you are unfamiliar, but we are in box 8. We might be pros at this point, right? Here it is. Large flat rate shipping. Delicious snacks. First things first, we have Candy Pop Twix. I fell in love with their peanut butter and jelly popcorn. All the flavors are really good. Twix should be no exception. These are a lot of fun, and I've seen them at many Five Belows. Definitely something to look for. Now this is one, it's so soft in here. I cannot even, I didn't get to sample these yet. I know we have some as a family to try, but Always Original Herbert's Best Ocean Pack gummies. You guys know I love gummies. Very soft. I do look forward to trying these. They look fun too. These are from Cinco de Mayo Peach Rings and Chamoy. Now, yum. I love chamoy. I love fruity gummies. I mean, we just talked about this, but I think this is a really unique combination. I also have Gushers to try in chamoy from this brand. Lots of fun, big package. I love this brand of popcorn. I actually am obsessed with their 4 cheese. I buy it at Menards. It's like one of my personal favorite snacks, but the caramel corn, yummy. Speaking of caramel corn, this is Icy brand popcorn with cherry and blue raspberry. Now, I do love caramel corn and I like ices, but I didn't think this would be addictive. It is absolutely addictive. We opened it, we've ate our entire bag, and we're all fans of it. I need to let my dog out. I'll be right back. But yummy. I am excited to give this away to you guys. The dog is needy. Okay. More Blue Diamond. This is the chili and lime almonds. Seen those in lots of bags. These, again, are not labeled. I'm thinking this might be a peach flavor or orange. The Vidal, we've had several of these. They were very generous with their donations. Flips, white fudge covered pretzels. We have several flavors of these. This is a brand that I did really enjoy learning about. I think I've mentioned in previous boxes. I've listened to the story of how I built this on Lenny and Larry's. These are protein pretzels. Really like this flavor, the pizza. So yummy. And they're protein packed. This is a giant edition in this box. Now, as I mentioned, everything is not like, I have no idea the value of these boxes. I have no idea the number of things. They're just each full. This took up a bit of room. It's from Yuki and Love. They're the Thai Sweets company. And this looks like a mango, I don't even know what it is. Like a cookie, nice and soft maybe. I think they're individually wrapped in there. They're called snowflakes, but it looks really yummy to me. I love mango. Now these are Benjamels. I've had small ones of these, individuals in different boxes. This is a full pack. It is honey and milk sweets. They're little caramellos, it says. Yummy. This is from Zweet, the freeze-dried gummies. Huge treat. This is literally one of my favorite things I found at the Sweet and Snack Expo, and it has nothing to do with sweets or snacks in my opinion, but they're breath mints. Now, I spend a lot of my day fasting. When I am in ketosis or burning fat for fuel instead of eating, I still get really bad breath almost 5 years later, and I try not to chew gum. I don't want my body to think it's about to eat. That's a whole fasting thing that you probably don't care about. But these cool caps are really good for when I have keto breath. I tried them there for the first time. I've since bought them on Amazon, but this is a little sample pack. Very strong. Now my kids don't like them. They think they're too strong. That's how strong they are. I really like it. I use it. I want it to cover my keto breath, and it works really well. These are savory pecans. They're from a company called Yes Please. She makes only savory flavors of her pecans, and then she makes sweet barks, like a red hot bark. And I like learning her story as a businesswoman. More flips. These are blueberry donut. My husband loves these gems. This is a lemon gem from Sunkist. A Choose Me Chew and Crunch sticks. We have another big bag from Zweet of Cosmos freeze-dried gummies. These are crunchy watermelon, so you get 2 varieties. This box has a lot of the bigger bags. This has dark chocolate and pomegranate chocolate quinoa crisps. These are from Undercover, so it has like hidden health to it, I think is where the name comes from. We have some Haribo gummies. These are the Happy Hoppers, so it has some Easter theme to it. This is unbranded, but it's like a chewy sucker, I think with chamoy on it. These go in like mangonadas. I don't remember the brand. I wish I had it, but I don't. We have another Sunkissed. Lemon, toxic waste, hazardous sour candies. We'll get the little guys out of here and save the bigger one for the end. We also have a apple sour. We have an apple toxic waste and a watermelon. We have another Choose Me Chew Stick and watermelon. A blue raspberry Everjoy hard candy. The Chupa Chups, this is lemon. Okay, I don't know that I've ever had just like a lemon. I like their creamy ones at the Suckers. And then this is kind of cool. It is called a Zippy Bear. And this is a gummy, but it's not candy and it's not for kids. It says it right here on the back. This is, I have to give it to you right from the package so I say it right. Vitamins and caffeine to give you a boost you need to zip through your day. So this woman and her son started making these when he was working out. So he has a Jimmy Bear. So not like gym as in a name, but like going to the gym. And it had his pre-workout in. I can't remember what it is, but they have Zippy Bear and Jimmy Bear. This is the caffeine one. And it had basically his pre-workout in a gummy. So he didn't have to like consume it as a huge drink. Very easy to get. And then they decided to add caffeine. And then they made a caffeine version and they decided to add vitamins to it. I might be getting this story a little out of order, but I really liked hearing about it. It was straight from the woman that does this with her son. And I enjoy taking this. So it says, wake up, be active, stay focused, be alert, power up. There's 4 of them in here and it's a dietary supplement. Again, not candy, not for kids, but we did enjoy taking this. And my husband, again, he's not a caffeine consumer through drinks. I am. He's pretty excited to have these and to have tried them. And we tried them there. They were good. And we did feel like, oh, wow. Wait, let me see if I can see how much caffeine is in here. So it contains 75 milligrams of caffeine and the FDA recommendation is to not consume more than 400. So 75 in here. Okay, and finally, also from the brand Yuki Love, we have mochi, and this mochi is taro flavored. So it's an entire bag of these little mochis that are individually wrapped. So once you open the bag, you can consume it at your leisure. You don't have to eat the whole bag, but I love mochi candies. It's such a nice sweet treat. If I'm like not really needing a full-on dessert, but I want something sweet, I love to pop one of these in my mouth. This brand was super generous. I've loved everything I've tried of theirs. Again, it's Yuki and Love. We have a lot of bigger items in this box. You can see we have the freeze-dried candies, the iced tea popcorn, other popcorn, the peach rings, hopefully a lot of things that you'll enjoy. And if you want to sign up to try to get this box, you do need to sign up for every single giveaway to be entered for that giveaway. So it doesn't matter if you've signed up 1 through 7, you still need to sign up for 8, probably old news at this point. I'm only shipping to the US, again, probably old news, but I'm not trying to get in trouble by sending foods that are not allowed to different countries. I don't know the laws. I don't know how to confirm that I know the laws. I don't have the time and the resources for that. So I'm sorry, I'm gonna stick with what I know is that I can send these in the US in a large flat rate shipping and not get in trouble. Also, this has like standard shipping time. If someone won and say they're in China, I don't know how long it would take for this box to arrive, and I want it to arrive in good condition. Now, all of this, you've heard this before, but was packed in Indianapolis. I drove it home. It's been in my house. I've had to sort them, make content, film these boxes. I have pets, I have kids. So once I pack it, I'm doing the best that I can. It's already been through a lot. And then it's gonna go through the USPS. They're not temperature controlled. They don't have, coolers to make sure that the quinoa crisp doesn't melt a little bit. Please have grace, whatever you arrive. If your chips are a little crushed or the popcorn's a little crushed, it's because I'm trying to give you a very full box and it's coming in a non-traditional logistics way. It doesn't really represent the brand. It's more about the situation of the prize. And I hope that you can be understanding of that. I'm sure you will be. I have absolutely loved putting these together and sharing them with you. And I'm so excited to have 10 different winners experience the fun and the joy of the Sweets and Snack Expo. And if you want to just go back and see what other boxes have contained, The giveaways might be closed. Some of them might still be open, but you can check out that playlist right here. Thank you so much for watching. Ciao, down and ciao. Look at all those goodies.